Hey guys, let me show you how to easy set up Assista. Cool, so you fill up your first name and you select your role and you can get started straight away. You connect your first app, go into our list. For example, I connect the Google Calendar here. I allow it and I can start chatting with Assista. I can ask to get all my events from Google Calendar and just send it into the chat, and the chat will retrieve my meetings for today. Second part, I will connect Slack to give it access to Assista, and I will build a workflow. Get all the events from my Google Calendar for today and send them to my Slack channel. The workflow is built through natural language. I can tweak it, save it, tweak it again, and after that just run it. Here is where you can save your saved workflows.